Guys, it's Mac and Marty over at Machanix Garage, and we are changing the alternator on a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. Fairly simple job, but you do have to drop the motor in order to get to the alternator. The reason being is the bottom bolt on the alternator is a little too long to actually clear down the bottom down there. You may not be able to see it, sorry guys, but the bolt is too long to actually clear. So I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. Here's the top bolt here, loose, and as you can see, as I'm pulling the bolt out, it is fairly long and it will hit the wheel well on the bottom. So you do definitely have to drop the motor a little bit. So what I had to do is I had to take loose the motor mount, which goes here. So I had to take loose the motor mount. It's 4 bolts. Take those loose, and then make sure you have the jack up under the motor on the oil pan, which is here. You want to make sure you have a jack up under the oil pan and drop it down. Make sure you definitely take loose the serpentine belt. You'll use a 14mm wrench here on the tensioner. You'll put a 14mm wrench on it, loosen the belt up, and go ahead, pull it off. Take your 2 bolts loose and drop in your new alternator. Like I said again, it's a fairly easy job if you have all the right tools, and it shouldn't take you too long. So it is a do-it-yourself job, and you can do it at home in your garage, okay? Make sure you stay safe and tune in to Machanix Garage for more helpful tips and tricks to fix your car. All right, have a good day, guys. Peace.